SONY. I have completed my undergraduation under the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering in Sri Ram Engineering College, Tirupati, and I passed out year is 2022, and I have joined in JSpiders Hebbal Branch in order to learn more about the understanding the concepts of SQL, web technology, or whatever, or Java. And after joining JSpiders, I have gain more knowledge about the programmings or whatever the either in web technology or SQL or in Java programmings, and I have confidently says that I am very I've gained more knowledge about on that what I have learned up to till now, and I am very proud and I am very really thankful to all the JSpiders team that I have who have helped me a lot in all these subjects through to help me. And also, and I thought SQL was taught by the Navya ma'am, and it is very good experience to me, and she taught very well from the very beginning basic itself. And also the Java was taught by the Rahul sir and Akshay sir, and they are really very good and very good experience they have in programming skills and whatever the Java. And also the web technology was taught by the Subramani sir. He was really excellent in whether teaching either in HTML or CSS or JavaScript. But I am always heartfully thankful to all the JSpiders team, and I would refer to all the students to join the JSpiders Hebbal team, Hebbal branch, and it will help you to get out of all, and you will be placed in many, at least in one of the company that will give a very good guarantee from the JSpiders Hebbal team, and you will get know what are all the things and to know about all the knowledge of about programming or whatever the things. So please recommend all